Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this video converter for Nintendo Switch, HDMI adapter. This can also be used for MacBook and Samsung, different devices. So we have some instructions here if you want to plug in this thing or other things to your television set. So basically it has this hookup right here. And then that's you can hook up your phone or whatever, and then also this can go. It's got USB-C right here, 3.0 USB-A, and a HDMI cord all right there. So this is just a smaller thing than the regular Switch adapter. And it's convenient. It has a nice little silicone hold here, so it's easy to plug things in and out. But great if you want to mirror like your phone or whatever, just put it right there. You can plug this into your television and just have it right here. I'll just actually demonstrate that real quick for you guys, and we can check it out. So let's go do that. What's cool about this, I use it for Samsung decks. Just plug this HDMI into your TV. Right there, and plug the USB-C into your Samsung. So let's get started, and it's going to pull up Samsung decks on your phone right there, and there's the TV. Open the touchpad on your computer, and then you basically just have this little thing right down here, and it tells you how to use it. Swipe up. Okay. Yeah, this uses like a little, basically like a little touchpad on your screen to move the mouse around. Three fingers does different things, and you basically, this turns into your little keyboard, and then whatever you have up here. So it has my settings here. I can go to camera. I can let's see. Okay, so just one finger. Move one finger around, and that's going to move your cursor around. Like two fingers, you can like swipe over and things like that. So it basically mirrors your phone really nice with this. It's super handy. Actually, we used it on our the internet went out the other night, and we just plugged this in and used the cellular data to watch a movie off this, and just run it right through here. Set up my movie on here on my thing, and was able to just go onto there. So you can just go onto your apps here if you want, go down to the App Store and put your phone on there, play a movie on there, and it mirrors it like really nice. This Samsung DeX is basically using your thing like a desktop or whatever, so it's pretty cool. But this allows it to work seamlessly. There's like no lag in between either, so a super nice way to connect your phone to your television and use it that way. So this thing is a super cool little device, really happy with it. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.